Attention, if you are offended by words like shit, bitch, fuck, dick, ass, hoe, cum, dirty bitch, low motherfucker, nigga, hooker, slut, tramp, dirty low slut, tramp, bitch, hoe, nigga, fuck, shit, whatever. Take the tape out now. This is not a pop album. Suck my motherfucking dick.